Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to fix Instagram crashing problem on our phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to fix Instagram crashing problem on our phone, first we'll be required to open the settings of the phone and not the Instagram app itself in order to fix the Instagram crashing problem. And on the settings, guys, scroll down until you can find the apps option available for us. Just below the battery, tap on it and tap on the app management, which is at the top of the screen. And over here, guys, you can see there's a search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on there and search for Instagram on this section where you'll find the Instagram app over here. Now in order to proceed to fix your Instagram crashing problem, guys, we'll be trying 3 or 4 fixes which will fix your Instagram crashing problem. First, guys, try to tap on the force stop button available over here. By tapping on the force stop, guys, your Instagram app will be force stopped, and after you open it, your Instagram app will be restarted. By that way, guys, your Instagram crashing problem might be fixed, or if it's still not fixed, then open the storage uses option available for us over here, just below data uses. Tap on storage uses and you will find the clear cache button available for you. Try tapping on the clear cache button over here, and after clearing your cache, reopen your Instagram app and check that is your Instagram app still crashing or not. And after going through these 2 steps, if it's still not fixed, then open up the Play Store on your phone, guys, because to check either your Instagram app needs an update or not. So at the top of the screen on the Play Store, you can see the search bar. Tap on it and search for Instagram over here, and this kind of interface will appear where you will find Instagram at the top of the list. Open it, and if you spot an update button available for you instead of the open, you will be required to update your Instagram app on your phone. That might be causing the Instagram crashing problem, and after updating, guys, your Instagram crashing problem will be fixed. And with that being said, guys, if it's not fixed on your phone still, then try uninstalling the Instagram app on your phone, and after that, restart your device, restart your phone, and again install the Instagram app and log into your Instagram account from the start on your phone. By that way, guys, your Instagram crashing problem will be fixed on your phone. And with that being said, guys, this is how to fix Instagram crashing. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.